Hi, Chef Justin Watson back after a little break from uploading recipes. Today's recipe is a first in a series geared towards simple recipes for entertaining guests. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make homemade garlic hummus using common ingredients you can find in most grocery stores. I also show you how to cut some vegetables for dipping. As usual, I've included a copy of the recipe in the description below, along with a list of equipment I used. To start, I'm cutting and squeezing out the juice of one lemon. Fresh lemon juice is much brighter and balanced than the pre-packaged from concentrate, but you are able to substitute if that's all you have. Next, I will add 3 cloves of garlic to the food processor. Then I like to add some fresh herbs. Here I'm using fresh sprigs of basil I picked from my garden. Chop this up in the food processor. I scrape down the bowl with a rubber spatula so I can mince any large pieces that may have stuck to the side. Once the garlic and basil has been minced fine enough, I'll add the chickpeas and begin to puree. While the food processor is running, I'll add the sesame oil. Traditionally, you would use tahini, which is pureed sesame seeds. However, this may be harder to find in some grocery stores, so using sesame oil is a great substitute. Once again, I'll scrape down the sides of the bowl. And add some hot sauce, salt, and fresh ground black pepper. I'm using sriracha because I love the flavor profile and balance, but you're welcome to substitute your favorite hot sauce or even cayenne pepper. Turning back on the food processor, I'll continue to puree the hummus until smooth. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue to puree. Now I'm checking the seasoning and then adding some olive oil. As it's pureeing, I can tell it needs a bit more oil, so I add that through the top until it reaches the correct texture I'm looking for. Once again, taste and adjust the seasoning as necessary. Transfer the hummus from the food processor to your serving bowl. On to the vegetables. We'll start with the celery. Here I'm using the heart of the celery, which tends to be a bit more tender with less of the strings on the outside, so no need to peel it. Start by cutting each stalk into approximately 3-inch lengths. Then cut those pieces into 1/4-inch strips. Next is a sweet bell pepper. Start by cutting off both ends, but don't throw those out. We will use those as well. Next, standing the pepper up on end, slice one side off, rotating 90 degrees, slicing the next side off, and repeat all the way around. In another video, I show you a slightly different method for cutting a pepper. See the link above to check out that video. For the cucumber, we will start by peeling it. You'll notice I'm using the pull method rather than pushing the peeler away from me. Most peelers have blades on both sides, so will work in either direction. I find this method gives me a longer strip that I can usually take in one pass. After trimming off both ends, I slice them into approximately 3-inch lengths. Being careful to balance it on the round edge, cut a 1/4-inch slice off the side. Now roll the cucumber over onto the flat side so it's more stable, and make the remaining 1/4-inch slices. Cut those slices into 1/4-inch sticks. Finally, for the carrot, we will use the same method as the cucumber. Start by peeling the carrot in the same manner. Here I'm using my favorite OXO peeler. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. Cut the carrot into 3-inch lengths. Cut the 1/4-inch slice off the one side, then roll the carrot over onto the flat side to stabilize it. Repeat the process just like we did for the cucumber. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to make a caramelized onion dip and cheddar cheese queso from scratch. Hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll know when those new videos get posted. Leave me a comment below to tell me what you thought of this video or what you may want to see more of. And remember, mise en place, it's a way of life.